Hi creators! Imagine knocking out a photorealistic poster, a cinematic teaser, or an animated meme in the time it takes to sip your coffee. No pricey GPU, no installs, just your browser. That's the everyday magic of getimg.ai, powered by ByteDance Seedream 3 for images and Seedance 1 for video. Today, I will show you how these two models turn pure text and even a single photo into polished visuals that look like they rolled straight out of Hollywood studio or a high-end design suite. We are on getimg.ai dashboard. Two buttons define your creative universe: image generator and video generator. Each gives you serious production value with exactly zero technical baggage. For images, click the image generator and pick the Seedream 3 model. Now type photorealistic portrait of a surfer at golden hour, soft film grain, subtle teal and orange palette, cinematic depth of field. Tap Create Images. Wait a couple of heartbeats and boom, skin textures, glow, sunlight, feathers across the shot, and every color feels like hand-graded. Need text in the composition? Seedream nails kerning and spacing so your headline stays razor sharp instead of melting into alphabet soup. Let's push it. Picture a retro sci-fi poster with gilded Art Deco borders and a crystal clear title. Or a glossy product hero shot. Perfume bottle on mirrored chrome, razor edge reflections dancing around the logo. Or maybe a lush storybook, illustration straight out of the Art Nouveau era. The common thread? Fine control. The more specific your prompt, lighting, lens, color grade, even paper texture, the more Seedream respects every nuance. Switch tabs to video generator. Select text to video and choose Seedance 1. Type a lone soldier in the midnight. Fog lowers a flare onto a rooftop. It ignites in brilliant red, the camera pulls back. Rooftops or around answer with matching flares. Set 5 seconds, widescreen, silent, hit generate. The clip you get is 720 pixels, crystal clear, and this is the kicker. Faces stay focused, structures stay intact. No rubber limbs, no psychedelic flicker. Now let's turn a still frame into motion. Upload photo of a retro sports car parked on a neon-washed street. Prompt incidence: camera slowly orbits the car. Rain, slick asphalt reflecting neon signs, gentle drizzle in the air. 10 seconds later, you are watching a smooth, believable shot that feels like it was captured on location during a night shoot, not conjured by code. Seedance makes short work of everything from cyberpunk street loops with ambivalent sound through slow-mo coffee splashes for a reel to minimalistic logo reveals that look boardroom ready. Keep your prompts tight, stay in present tense, describe camera moves and light cues, and the model follows like seasoned DP. So, ready to try it? Grab those daily free credits on getimg.ai, fire up Seedream or Seedance, and let your ideas sprint from mind to monitor. Generate something jaw-dropping, drop in the comments your prompts and it might star in our next episode. Smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and remember, the gap between imagination and reality just got the whole lot shorter. 3, 2, 1, and create, guys!